Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete photos from Google Photos on your Android. You have to start by open Google Photos application, and now you need to locate photos what you wanna delete. Let's say I want to delete these two. So press and hold on it, select all of them what you want to delete, and then click at the trash at the middle bottom. Then move to the trash, and we just delete it, but not permanently, and we can locate it if we go to the collection, and right here we have a trash, tap on it, and here it is, we have these photos. So to permanently delete it, you need to or select it and click delete, or you can click at the three dots, empty trash, and you will delete all photos what you have right here in the trash. And now, let's select it, delete, and delete permanently. And that's it, now we cannot restore it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!